Today I'll show you how to maintain your fan. I have this fan that every time I turn it on, it doesn't really want to start. It takes a few seconds to start spinning and it makes a lot of noise. I'll show you what I mean. We'll take it outside. I like to do these kind of repairs outside so that the dust is out of your house. We'll start by taking the front off of the fan with these Phillips heads here. I can unscrew the front grate. Make sure you don't lose the screws. I keep them in this little magnetic cup here. Now I have access to the fan blades and I can oil the shaft. This screw allows me to remove the blades, and then I can spin this shaft and see what's going on here. Yeah, it doesn't want to spin freely. It's binding up a little bit, it stops right away. I'll blow the dust off the motor. You can also use a can of compressed air, which is better. This shaft definitely is in need of lubrication though. I'm just going to use 3-in-1 oil today. You can use sewing machine oil. You can use fan oil. There's lots of oils that are good for the job. I might be adding even a little too much oil here, but I'll wipe up the excess later. And then I'll let the fan run a while to really let the lubrication work itself in. That's a lot better. It definitely spins more freely now, and it will get even smoother after I let it run for a while. I'm carefully cleaning the dust off the blades now. You have to take care not to bend them because they're bent just right for air movement, and also they're sharp. You don't want to get cut. Then I use a paintbrush to get the dust off the front grate. This fan's not that dusty because I just did it last year. But if you waited a couple of years, you'd be amazed at how much dust comes off with a paintbrush. That's why I do this job outside. Now we'll put it back together and see how she runs. We'll plug it in, turn it on. Yes, faster starting, quieter. I'm moving the fan around to help distribute the oil in any way it wants to drip. And I'll let it run this way for a while so the oil gets down and penetrates to where it needs to be. Let's try it indoors. Much smoother, much quieter. As always, thanks for watching.